Most people see a giant tree and think it's just wood. Just wood?
What they don't realize is that this single log can be transformed into thousands of dollars worth of products. Here's how it happens. From giant tree to valuable products.
The journey begins as the giant log arrives at the sawmill.
Even before processing begins, the scale of the log is impressive. It's carried the biggest tree in the world.
The coupling system is carefully disconnected. Soon, powerful machines will take over.
The enormous timber is lifted from the unloading area.
The log is transported to the processing line. The first stage of processing is about to begin. Automated rollers move the timber through the system. Next, the log will be measured and analyzed before cutting.
All right, engage the roller slowly. Pressure's building, it's starting to turn. Clear the area, watch the chain.
Advanced sensors scan the log from every angle. The outer bark must be removed before cutting. Now comes the moment the entire process has been preparing for. The scan data is sent to the control system. Every decision is optimized before the first cut is made. Beneath the bark, clean timber is revealed. Valuable lumber begins to emerge from the massive log. With the trailer secured, the truck moves away. Powerful machinery peels away the rough outer layer. The size of this timber requires specialized handling from the moment it arrives.
The first cut determines how the rest of the log will be processed. Automated equipment ensures maximum accuracy. Now the timber is ready for the next stage. Before cutting begins, every log must be carefully measured. Powerful software determines how to maximize usable lumber. Every board is shaped for maximum quality and consistency.
Next, the lumber is trimmed to precise dimensions. Each pass through the saw creates usable timber. Once in position, the trailer connection is prepared for release. Automated systems keep production moving continuously. Thousands of boards move through the facility every day. Waste material is collected and removed for efficiency and safety.
Before shipment, every board must pass quality inspection.
Every board follows a carefully planned production path. The result is a cleaner, stronger, and more attractive product. Next, protective coatings are applied to enhance the wood. Powerful extraction systems remove dust and debris from the production line. The lumber is now clean and ready for finishing.
The coating highlights the natural beauty of the wood grain.
Automated systems apply a uniform layer of paint to every surface. What was once a single giant tree is now a large supply of usable timber. The finished lumber is prepared for shipment and construction use. From one enormous tree to countless useful products, this is the remarkable journey of modern sawmill processing. Some of this lumber will become the framework of homes.
Some will become flooring walked on every day.
And some will be transformed into furniture and cabinetry.